Ever feel lost in a sea of Excel data? Let's simplify it with pivot tables. Imagine you've got a sales data set. It's packed with info like dates, salespeople, regions, products, and sales amounts. How do you make sense of it all? Here's where pivot tables come in. First, select your data range. Then, head over to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. Choose where to place it. Usually a new worksheet works best. Now, in the Pivot Table Fields pane, drag Salesperson to the Rows area. Next, drag Region to the Columns area. Finally, drag Sales Amount to the Values area and ensure it's set to Sum. Voila! Your pivot table now shows total sales by each salesperson in each region. Instantly, you can see Alice rocking the north, Bob owning the south, and Charlie shining in the east. Pivot tables turn data chaos into clarity. Try it out and transform your data analysis forever.